Hey, good morning all. This is Brent Bruce over here at Rancho Capital Home Loans. We talked earlier that we are going to do all we can to start educating our local market, Rancho Cucamonga, Ontario, Fontana, really all of Southern California, on not only real estate trends, but also interest rate trends and starting to help you understand how that works. So today we're talking about something that's going to be happening this week, which is the Federal Reserve is going to be meeting, and most likely it's been widely expected that they're going to reduce the federal funds rate by 1/4%. Now, most people are going to call myself and Danny and Jeff and say, "Hey, I hear that interest rates have come down." Well, that's not really how this works. So the Federal Reserve has control over the federal funds rate, which can influence mortgage rates, but mortgage interest rates are completely determined by mortgage-backed security sales, which is a different item that the federal government does not have control of. It's actually traded on the bond market. So it does not always work that way. We've seen many times where the Federal Reserve drops their interest rate by 1/4% or even 1/2%, 1/8%, and mortgage interest rates actually go up. We've seen the reverse as well. And this has to do with the effects of inflation on long-term bonds, things that we're not going to get into today. But I just want to make sure you understand that the Federal Reserve does not have direct control over mortgage interest rates. They can influence them. They're trying to affect the overall economy. So we don't necessarily think that mortgage interest rates are going to drop this week. They could. Depends on the way that the market takes that and how they see inflation over the long term. But I want to make sure you know that that's what's going on. Now, overall, still, interest rates are extremely low. I want to make sure you all understand that. You are probably being bombarded by mortgage companies if you have a home right now to refinance. Very well could be a good idea, but not always. Just because the interest rate is lower, just because you can drop your payment by $100 or $200 a month does not mean it's the right move and the right thing for you to do with your overall financial plan. So please give us a call. Myself, Danny Espinoza, Jeff Anderson, and let's talk about whether this makes sense for you to do something. Give me a call. Call any of us. Our main number, 909-463-4750. Let me know what you think about this video or what you might have questions about when it comes to real estate and the overall interest rate market. We'd be happy to do what we can to educate you in our 2 to 3 minute videos. Hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching.